In this investigation with friction, we are going to look at how the different surfaces between the block and what it's sliding on is going to impact the frictional force that is present. So with this, as long with all the other ones, we're going to pull at a constant velocity. And again, that's going to produce a net force of 0. And so you're going to be able to say that my pull force is going to be equal to my frictional force. Right? So really what we're just looking at is as we change the surfaces between between what's in contact, how is that going to impact this? So again, we want to try to pull slowly, and with that slow pull, we should produce a graph that's going to look something like that. And this is the data that we're going to record. So for all of our scenarios, no matter what side of the block and what side of whether it's on the paper or the sandpaper, right, we're going to investigate how is this force graph produced, and we want to look at the part of the force graph where we're just pulling at a nice slow constant velocity after our static friction has turned into kinetic and we're sliding across the surface.